Boost your well-being with KK MITRA. Struggling with organ issues? KK MITRA, crafted from traditional and rare herbs, is your natural solution. Addressing liver and kidney problems, supporting intestinal tract and nervous system, relieving asthma, wheezing and allergic asthma, tackling weakness, impotence and nervousness, managing increased creatinine urea levels, combating prostate gland swelling, prostatitis, easing arthritis and various pains. Enhance your overall health and immune system with KK Mitra's concentrated herbal blend. No side effects, purely natural ingredients. Dosage: 1 spoonful, 5 grams, in the morning, 1 spoonful, 5 grams, in the evening. Mix with hot water and take it after food for optimal benefits. Transform your health journey with KK Mitra.